So let's say it's 2025.
And I'm starting video editing from the scratch. No experience, no client, nothing. What would I do differently? How would I get my first client? And most importantly, how would I scale it into full-time career? The first thing I do, focusing on building my portfolio. Instead of waiting for clients, I do create 5 to 10 high quality videos in different styles. YouTube edits, short form content, cinematic edits, and some commercial style videos. This way, I have something to show right away. Next, I do leverage social media. In 2025, visibility is everything. I do start posting on different platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, to showing my work, sharing behind the scenes edits, and even giving some simple quick editing tips. And here's the big one. I wouldn't just rely on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. I do actively reach out to content creators, small businesses, and agencies offering for discounted work just to get my foot in the door. Once I land my first few clients, I do over deliver. Make sure they are 100% satisfied so they recommend me to others. Word of mouth is still the powerful marketing tool. Then I do start scaling. Increase my rates, automate repetitive tasks, maybe even build a team. If you are thinking of start video editing in 2025, the game is the same, but the strategy needs to be faster and smarter.